Alright everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Now in today's video, we're going for our final drive in the Mini. Well, it's actually now sold. This is actually going now on, it's actually going in 2 days from filming this video, but by the time the video is up, the Mini may even be gone. So, yeah, we're going to hop in, go for our final drive on camera, and yeah, then the new car will be here. But without further ado, for the final time, let's hop inside this Mini JCW. Okay, so we're out on the open road now, as this car pulls in. And yeah, this is going to be the final drive of the Mini, which is actually pretty sad. I actually love this car. For that reason, that is why. I mean, this thing is so... I've just left that guy in the dust behind me. But oh, I love this car. The speed of it. The flappy paddle gearbox, I'm gonna miss that, but I'm also looking forward to going into a manual for my next car. I already know what car I'm gonna get next. Am I gonna drop any hints? Well, I'm gonna drop a very subtle hint. Now this doesn't really help you guys, but it kind of does. But it is a 6-speed manual. That's all I'm gonna say. That doesn't really help because a lot of cars are a 6-speed manual, but yeah, like, it is a 6-speed manual. Take that as you wish. And you guys already know the budget's around £8,000, right? So yeah, we're gonna be getting the new car very, very soon. And we actually haven't done a POV since we put the resonator back in, since this thing was stock. And at the very start of us getting it, about 10 months ago. So I thought we'd do another one with the res back in, and the POV drive is always a nice way to finish off having our last drive, because you guys get to see what I'm doing, and you guys kind of get to experience the final drive properly with me from my point of view. But yeah, let's get into enjoying this final drive. Now the talking's out of the way, let's get into enjoying this final drive in the Mini as we come into a 60. It's so quick, it's so quick. Honestly, the gear changes are so rapid as well. This is the quickest car I've ever owned, this thing, and it's safe to say it does not disappoint. Drop it down into second. It does kick you in your seat round this corner. Oh my god, it's so fast! It's so fast. Oh, what's this coming? ST, they're nice. But oh, it's such a joy to drive, honestly. Someone's done a big burnout down here. Jeez, look at the black marks on the road. Get to some twisty road bit around here. You can really enjoy this car. Another Mini, enjoying the twisty roads. Oh, it handles so well, that suspension. Out we go. Oh my god, this car is a weapon. Look at this, man. I'm gonna miss it so much. Going through the gears like that, wow. Through second, third, fourth. I mean, oh god, what a machine. It's always sad parting ways of a car, because you don't know the next time that you possibly get the chance to drive one, you know. I don't know when the next chance I'm going to get to drive a Mini JCW with a paddle gearbox, you know. It probably will be years and years away. And yeah, that's the saddest bit really about parting ways with a car, is that it's probably going to be a long time, if ever. I mean, imagine if I never drive one of these again, you know. They're such great cars, honestly. I've loved owning this. I could not recommend getting one enough. A front wheel drive, 230 brake horsepower, weapon. Honestly, it's so good. It eats up all the country roads. It sounds great. I mean, the resonator's back in, it still sounds very good, to be fair. But if you get one of these, take that resonator out and I promise you, you won't regret it. It sounds insane. and I miss the resonator being out, the noise and the bangs, and it's a different beast entirely again with the res out. Maserati 4x4. I mean, the pops like that, they're still loud. I don't know if you guys can hear them. A road. I mean, geez, swing it in. I've been very lucky with traffic. Look at this, the switchbacks. Oh God. It's not one after the other. Oh, and another one. I don't mind if I do. Cool. I almost want to turn around and do that again. That was fun. I'm hoping these guys turn off. Fingers crossed. Turn off. There's one. Yes! Yes! I've never been so excited about people turning off in my life. I've never been so excited people turning on their indicators. But they're both turning off. Let's go. Yes, now we get the road again to ourselves. Oh, this is going to be nice. Round the switchback. I've not been this way through this road before. Through these little switchbacks again. I mean, geez. Into second. Oh, it's so tight. This is a 60 road, believe it or not. Oh. The noises coming out of my mouth right now because of this amazing car and amazing road. Jesus Christ, what an amazing road this is. It's so quick. When those turbos kick in, and they kick in pretty quickly, boy does it feel quick. As we hit traffic. No one coming. Quite our luck today has been sublime. Over the potholes, and now we go. Accelerate, a bit of torque steer. 230 brake horsepower. Through the gears. Oh my God. It's in third gear. It kind of just doesn't stop pulling, and it surprises you a bit. You're like, whoa, we're still going. Whoa. Oh, whoa, look at the speed of that Defender. Jesus Christ, he's going quicker than I am around that corner. Look at the smoke trail it's left. Oh, through the dip. That was nice. But yeah, guys, I think we're getting to the end of this road now. We've hit traffic, so I think that's the good road's pretty much done. So I think that's going to be it for the final drive of my Mini John Cooper Works. It's the end of an era. Honestly, I've absolutely loved this car. This has been my favourite car that I've owned so far. 100%. It's a joy to drive, and the speed, it gets the heart pumping a bit, you know. It really does, which I love speed. So the other cars were nice to drive, nice cruisers, but they just weren't quick enough for me, and this certainly was. So yeah, I'm looking forward to the next chapter, and hopefully you guys are as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like. So I don't know if that was me, got beeped or not. They're all turning off. Big massive potholes. Well, I want to accelerate, but I can't because the road's just been destroyed. But yeah, like I was saying, I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe down below. It's always massively appreciated. And yeah, this is it. This is the end of the Mini. But yeah, the next video will probably be us picking up